Yeah, we're recording. Right, so today we'll be using OKX for this purpose. Now, why? Because there are some unique features on OKX if you want to start using OKX for trading. Unique features, and they have huge trading benefits and some really sweet bonus if you're using OKX. Now, just in case you don't know how to open an OKX trading account, I'll drop the link right now in the chat so you guys can check it out. Hold on while I drop the link in OKX. Just give me a minute while I get the link. Boom, that's it. So that's the link to open an OKX account. For each deposit you make, you will get some bonuses, right? You'll get some bonuses. I'm going to share the bonuses with us so we can know how to leverage. Because one of the ways of making money in cryptocurrency is by taking advantages of all these, little bonuses here and there. I'll give a very good example, and I won't call the name of the person. Someone in our crypto space in Nigeria actually made money that was enough to buy himself a car. Get how he got the car? Through what's called airdrop. Airdrop. And guess what? Guess what, guys? You can, I hope I can definitely give this information. You can actually make some cool amount of money. You can actually raise money over time with, oh shit. Okay, I will not be able to live stream today. You can actually make money over time with airdrop, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, if this is one of the benefits, one of the things you will learn in today's session apart from trading, good for you. Now, there was something I noticed way back in either 2019 or 2018. I noticed that you can actually raise money without raising money. Let me show you guys how. Now I'm just trying to use this. I was trying to use this to buy time so that I can fix my Chrome and live stream, but fortunately I can't do that until I end this session. Well, let me try again. Yeah. Okay. Let me walk you through. So I'll drop the link in the chat so you guys can actually create an OKX account. Then I'll tell you the bonus that you will get for opening an OKX account. Why I try to fix my live streaming. All right. Yeah, so I did this video about a year ago. Now, if you're interested in crypto and you might really want to watch this video and see the things I talked about in that video. I mentioned about 3 projects that I talked about. Sorry, this is private. I'm gonna make it open for everyone. Now make sure you watch that video. Now, something really remarkable happened in that video. I mentioned about 3 projects that raised money through airdrop without an ICO. Now, just check it out, just in case you might want to use it. So back to our trading. So please make sure you open an OKX account. I've dropped the link I'll drop it again. I have another meeting. See, Heaven Leader is calling. All right, so I'll drop the link. Now let's jump right in. Okex is a platform that helps you leverage, just in case you're new. This is their test account. It helps you do exactly what I'm doing right here on Binance. So as you can see, I made $26,000. This account is live. This is not a screenshot. Let me let me refresh it for you. You know, there's something that they say in the Bible. They say, "He that is faithful in little is faithful in much." Someone told me recently. He said, "Sam, I want to start trading, but I don't have capital, and your fee to start trading is $100, and that $100 is like my capital to get started." You know what I told the person? I told the person, when it comes to trading, capital is not the thing. Haven't you heard that some traders, they blew up accounts? You know, they blew up all their accounts. Have I blown up account before? Yes, I have. But like I said in one of my videos, I said, the point is not you not losing. If you find any trader that tells you he has not lost before, he's telling you a big fat lie. The point is not losing. The point that we are trying to teach you here in Light Blocks or Blockchain Academy is how to minimize your losses so that your gains at the end of the day is far, far greater than your losses, right? And I did a video about that. Just in case you don't know, you've not seen that video, please check it out. I'm going to drop the link just in case you've not seen it. I did a live report on our trading and the kind of gains we made in one of our accounts. Of course, we run several accounts. Now check the chat box. You're gonna get it. One of the mistakes people make in trading is that they want to rush and make gain. And guess what? That's one of the fastest way to lose money. But you might say, we came here to trade so that we can make money. So why are you not telling us we should not be looking out for gains? Yes, don't try to make gain. Try to maintain in the system. That is the goal. The reason why people lose money in trading is because they try to make too much gain in a short time. You want to make 100% in one day. You want to make 100% in 24 hours. Is it possible? I've done it before. I've doubled an account before several times. I did it in December, January. I've doubled an account. As you can see, okay, let's not talk about this. So doubling an account, it's not the goal. The goal is maintaining in the game. Like those that are in my signal group, I have a signal group where I drop signals and I mentor people on how to trade, not just how to trade, how to minimize their losses. One of the rules I gave them is this: don't look at what other people are doing. You see someone drop a screenshot. That's why most times if I'm trading and I want to show profit I've made, most times I will cover the real profit. Oh, we have 10 minutes left. Please, just in case the meeting ends, try to join immediately. I will drop either another link or the same link. If you try the same link and it doesn't work, please just look up. I'll drop another link because I just actually started right now. So one of the rules I told them is this: when trading, don't look at what other people are making. That's a mistake that a lot of traders are making. They look at their colleagues or maybe other traders and be like, this guy is making 400% in a day. This guy is making 200% in a day. I want to be like him. Or this guy is making 1,000%, $1,000 every day, $20,000 every day. I want to be like him. Who knows? His account balance might have $1 million, and his 1% could give him $2,000. What you're not saying is the risk he's taking. He has over 1 million. Someone is trying to join. All right, welcome, guys. Yeah, if you're just joining, please please make sure you rejoin, because this particular session will end in few minutes. And also check the chat. OKX is giving out some really good promo if you want to start trading. The promo is very, very mouth-watering. I would like to fill you guys in. So what OKX is trying to say that, hey, if you're beginning your trading career, if you're starting to trade, we'll give you this sweet bonus, which I'm about to tell you guys, and then you guys can actually start your journey. You can actually start your journey without bonus, but just make sure you stick around to the end of this. I'm sorry, I'm still using free Zoom. I was trying to pay for it the other day. It didn't work, but I'll try again. So what I was saying was, you know, I tell people, don't look at what other traders are making. It's a distraction. So sometimes you see my posts on Facebook, I hardly, and if I make a post about trade and I don't cover the gains, it's either I was in a hurry or I forgot. I always try to cover it, because if other traders see it, they might try to want to achieve the same results. Let's assume I made $100 in one trade and they can't make $100. They will try to want to achieve that my own $100, and that is a distraction. That is what leads people to liquidation. So trading is not all about knowing fundamental analysis, technical analysis. No, you have to also train your mind. So it all starts from your mind. There's a book called Power of the Mind. I think you guys should check that book out. Trading starts from your mind. Trading doesn't start from learning technical analysis. Don't start from analysis. Please, can you come and talk to her? So it starts from the mind, you know what I'm saying? So this particular session, like I said, will end in few minutes. And if it joins, I will either drop a link immediately to any 6 minutes. So just in case you're joining, someone asked a question. He said, what is liquidation price? Then I went to a trade I've opened before in a testing account, and I was trying to explain that this money you're seeing here, this $26,000 gain, is actually not, it's a virtual money, it's not real money. So don't come and DM me tomorrow and say your mother died and you need money for burial. I'm gonna block you, man. You know what I'm saying? Holla. So someone asks, what is liquidation price? How can we minimize the liquidation price? How can we make sure we don't have liquidation price in our trade? Well, there are two ways to trade. You can trade in such a way that you have liquidation price and you don't have liquidation price. And the full gist is right here on this website. So liquidation price, in case you're coming in, I'll just repeat for you, is the price that once the, oh, okay, thank you. I think Gina said she has answered some of the questions already. Right, so let me see if I can answer another one before we go. We have 5 minutes before we join again and do the main thing. Let's see. How to trade without liquidation price. Yeah, I'll fix that. How can one trade? What is responsible for the rise and fall of prices? All right. Okay. Just in case you can't see the chat, I'm going to read them out and answer them quickly in less than 5 minutes. And then when we join again, we'll now do the main thing. We'll keep the main thing. IPPC people understand what I'm trying to say. So this guy said, what is responsible for the rise and fall of prices in crypto? How do we sell? That is the reason the prices rise and fall is because this market is a free market, right? It operates with pure demand and supply. So you demand, it goes up. You don't demand, you have less interest, it goes down. It's as simple as that. A tested account is a, okay, someone asked what's the testing account. Of course, a testing account is used for testing. So you test in the testing account, and before you go to the main account, start trading. What else? And also, let's say you are not you're not close by and your entry price gets up and start running into profits. How do you, yeah, that's a very smart question. So this person's question is this: if you're not online, right, and maybe you enter a trade and that trade is in profits, how do you maximize, how do you take profits when you're not online? Let's assume you've gone to your village and unfortunately in your village there's no internet. How can you take profits? Well, it's very easy. We'll have a practical session in the next session when we join, and we'll quickly talk about it. If you want a clear and detailed explanation, this course right here will help you. I'm going to drop the link in the chat so you guys can actually check it out. So next question is no. Okay. Okay. That's all the questions. So just in case you're just joining, like I said, OKX has a very mouth-watering offer if you're starting your. Okay, yeah. Someone just said drop the link just in case this one is revoked. Okay. OKX has a very mouth-watering offer if you're starting your. If you need capital to start trading, they have a very mouth-watering offer, right? But you have to start from the testing account. This is the link to the testing account. I'll drop it just in case you need it. Once you join the testing account, you click test crypto to get crypto. So they will give you a certain amount. I think I got 10 Bitcoin the last time. It's no longer there. So you click test free crypto, you can get up to 1,000 Bitcoin. That is not real. Don't start saying you don't blow, right? And you're going to withdraw that out. So once you request, it's supposed to show here. Let me find out if I need to refresh to see it. All right, so that guy is loading. Sorry, this part is not from me, from the network. Let's see. Okay, we're back. So guys, we have less than a minute. Why is my 10 BTC not showing? Okay, let me try a lower amount. Let's try 10, so 10 I used before. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with OKX this morning. Their testnet account rather. Just in case you try it and it works. Maybe it's because I used it before and I didn't actually, I requested before and I didn't use it. That is why Zoom is supposed to be free for this Corona time. I'm telling you, man, Oga Destiny, Zoom is, guys, just in case you need money for food, Mr. Adeola Adedoyin Destiny is a whale. You can send him your account number at any time, any day. If it's cryptocurrency you need, send him anytime, any day. Any amount you need, he's a whale. Everybody knows that. Yeah, Destiny said that's his name. You know, these guys, they like pretending like they don't have money, but deep down their pocket is big. Even Steven Voski, that guy is a whale. You know what I'm saying? So these are the guys you meet if you're hungry, you need money for, or you see a fine girl that you want to check, you need a car to go meet the girl, just meet Destiny Said or Voski. They're going to help you out, you know, give you all the resources you need. And so guys, I think I'll have to end this meeting because we have less time.